Number 5.
You can see LSU's confidence in White, too. He's been one-on-one with Treadwell pretty much the entire game. Here's the snap to the quarterback, Kelly. He's going to run to his right. He gets to the 5. He lowers the head. He does a helicopter. He's short of the goal line.
After further review, the runner broke the plane of the goal line. Touchdown.
Yeah, baby.
Number 4.
Gun formation again for Kelly. Makes a handoff, one-on-one near side with Stringfellow. Jump ball, catches it at the 2 and out of bounds. Stringfellow, who's 6'2", goes up and over Dante Jackson, the nickelback.
Number 3.
On the right hash, first and goal for the Rebels from the 5-yard line. Judd goes in motion. Kelly's going to keep, run off the right side, trying to get to the corner. He's the 2, he's the 1, and Ted Kelly is in the end zone. Touchdown, Ole Miss.
Number 2.
From the 42, first and 10 for the Tigers. Low snap, crossing route, popped up in the air, and picked off. C.J. Johnson's got the ball. He's running to his right. It's not Johnson, correction, it's Russell. Russell down the sidelines. He's hit from behind and tackled at the 11. It is going to be number 20, Christian Russell.
Number 1.
So the Rebels from the 11. One-on-one, past the far side is Treadwell. He's got it. He's forcing himself into the end zone, and he's there. Touchdown, Ole Miss.